Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about a Sologenic product they announced called Solonex. It is one of three products they're developing. Those are NFT marketplace, Sologenic DEX, and the third one is Solonex. It is the solution for financial institutions like banks, investment firms, some exchanges. For those or which are already exist in the market and want to use like the technology of blockchains, or for those like institutions who are providing new services from scratch. And like the idea in general looks very cool, that they're providing those tokenized solutions for those institutionals, and I think it's one of their like best solutions they're announced already. It is not yet solution, it is not ready, and I think they're now more focusing on NFT marketplace plus Solodex and Coreum. But as far as announcement made, and we could see in their website, so those capabilities they include. So those are assets and the trading, fractional trading, like also some liquidity management and custodial services. So it looks great, but here it's important to understand what it's going to be like live and possible. And what I think that it's pretty important how like Ripple case will be solved, how soon it's going to be solved. So there is no like doubt for me that it will be like those instant payment will be live sometime sooner or later, and it's the matter of time. And I do not expect it's to be solved as soon as like they say now, like summertime, and I think it could be delayed up to end of 2022, or once like it is the time. I don't know why it's there should be definitely the reason why it's that delayed. But it is not only about like government saying like no, it is also about mass adoption of those digital banks, and people should like start use some like digital banks more. And it's the article I really love, and it was like published in the Ripple Twitter like yesterday, but the article is like 2 weeks already posted. This is from Ripple Insights, and I will put it in the description below. So it says, and I agree with this article, that some like APAC region with Asian regions, they're adopting like those digital banks and all those innovations faster, and they're providing like some examples with Singapore and also with Philippines, that for example with Philippines, like virtual currency transactions jumped 31% in 2021, and for like digital banks adoption for Singapore and Asia Pacific, if the world in general start adopting their digital banks and those like crypto forward like payments that fast as Asia do, like it will be much easier to be like adopted for Ripple, for Sologenic, Solonex solution. So it is not only like the issue with government, it is also about people's adoption. And if like people do not trust digital banks, and if people continue to go like to offline offices in banks, and it is also impacts, in my opinion. So for example, in it's not popular in US, it's more like for Europe, like for example some solution like Revolut. It is like financial technology company, it is not the bank, but they providing all those services as banks do, and people love some solutions like Revolut more than traditional banks. And if more and more people use those innovative solutions and no go into like banks branches and offline offices of the banks, it will be a great step ahead for those technologies, but it's also like the matter of time and how people quickly will adopt it in general. So and also like the ripple.com nice white paper with new value crypto trends they published. So there is also like this chart with financial institution interest in tokenization scenarios, and as per this like analysis they made, they say that like companies and institutional solutions are really very interested in those tokenized assets and all those technologies. So I mean, it's good to see those results, but it's also both government and SEC saying, yes, we are good to go, and banking system in general, and also people who are easy to adopt all those innovations and have like the trust to those like digital instruments and digital banks. So I think it's the combination of all those cases, and in this case I think that the solutions like Solonex will be very popular sometimes in the future. Maybe it's like not this next year, but in 5 years I think it will be like massively spread and widely used, and we will see different solutions like Solonex in the future. And if Solonex provides the solutions like Solodex providing solutions for all the users, and they could buy assets from different exchanges and different stock markets in the one place, it's good, and it could be successful. But how Ripple and XRP will behave in the future, I think the Sologenics and Solonex will perform pretty much the same in my opinion. So it is what I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.